Stop scrolling for a second. If your belly fat keeps getting bigger and nothing seems to work, then try this 6-day belly fat reset routine. No gym, no equipment, just 8 simple standing moves you can do at home. Standing side stretch. Raise one arm over your head and bend slowly to the side. This helps stretch and tighten the side belly. Squats. Lower your body slowly and keep your back straight. This helps burn calories and activate your core muscles. Standing knee lift. Lift one knee towards your chest, then switch sides. This targets the lower belly area. Standing twist. Twist your upper body from side to side. This helps engage the waist and core muscles. High knees. Lift your knees up quickly while standing. This increases fat burning and boosts stamina. Forward bend stretch. Bend forward slowly and reach toward your legs. This stretches the belly and back muscles. Side leg raise. Lift one leg to the side while balancing your body. This works the hips, thighs, and waist. Arm reach stretch. Raise both arms up and stretch your whole body. This activates the core and relaxes the muscles. Repeat this routine every day for 6 days. Try this belly fat challenge tonight and see how your body starts to change.